how we doing today? Today, we are going to be building a pretty cool F-350 Ford 2020. So let's get right into it. So here we are in the shop. We're going to start out with the bumper. I'm going to try to make it as off-roady as I can. That might be the best looking one. I'm going to try to make this a single wheel. And then maybe with a cage. If only you could have this and that. Like these two at the same time would be so cool. So cool. So I think I'm gonna go with this. Now we're going this. And we're gonna have it pretty high up on the ground. Should I do a light bar? Yeah, we're gonna do that. No snorkel. Front light. Yeah, why not? A winch, you gotta have a winch. We're gonna put that on there. And probably no exhaust for today. Alright, let's keep it yellow. We gotta have some guns. And then we need our repair pack. And that's done with that. Flags. We are going to put this one in the back. Tilt it down a little bit. Make the size. Shorten her up a little bit. That looks good right there. Maybe right there. Yeah. That's cool. Paint. I think I want a blue and red. Let's tint out the windows. Rims. Ooh, rims. Whew. Let's just do these. These are cool. Tires. Non-dually. Kind of like them the way they are. And wraps. We are gonna do this one, I believe. Let's see. So we could do that. Yeah, we're gonna do that. And then I think that's all I'm gonna do for now. Gonna upgrades. We're gonna go to engine power, grip, weight. Yeah, let's make it power stroke, durability. Turbo, if it's diesel, you gotta have a turbo diesel. Okay, suspension, travel, and then that out like that. That looks good like that. And back here, we're gonna have to adjust that. The front and the back suspension different. Let's see. Yeah, so we're just gonna have to buy it and extend it out. Otherwise, it looks pretty good. Is that aligned? Yeah, that's aligned. And stiffness. Yeah, I guess we could put some stiffness on it, make it look pretty cool. Dampen, so then it don't bounce around. Wheels and tires. We gotta go big. But should I go bigger? Yeah. It's not big enough. Okay. Wheels are bigger. Hang on. Okay. We're going to make that 1.2, and then we're going to go back in here. And the back, it seems, maybe just a little bit too high for me. There we go. I don't want to make it look squatted either. See if it has any. Ooh, it's doing good so far. Oh. It'll go pretty far. Oh. So it only goes to 11 degrees. But that's good enough for me. That's flexing. That's cool. That's good with me. It looks really good. I think I'm going to keep it. And, guys, I also built a truck behind your back. It's a Duramax. Put a number on it. So, if you mess with me, you get the max. Duramax. It's kind of goes together, and then you gotta get that Duramax symbol with the number. You have to do Red Bull. I've never seen a truck without Red Bull on it. And then here's our new truck. Yeah. It looks pretty good. Just thought I'd show you this. And I do wanna shout out a good friend of mine. His name is DC Curtis. I'm gonna pop him up in the top left. Go check out his channel. Go subscribe to him. And because he's at 11 subscribers right now. Go subscribe to him. He's wanting some subscribers. And I'll catch you next time. See you guys later.